What is your English level? Beginner. 1. He, blank. Not want to see him anymore. Do. Does. Or was. The correct option is B. He does not want to see him anymore. 2. They, blank. Launch at 12 o'clock. Have. Has. Or had. The correct answer, they had launch at 12 o'clock. 3. Who stole my blank? Exercise book. We don't use any article here. Who stole my exercise book? 4. I have blank. Apples. The correct answer is some. I have some apples. 5. Which sentence is correct? He doesn't likes coffee. He is not liking coffee. He doesn't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. 6. Which is the correct answer to this question? Has John seen the principal? Yes, he have. No, he hasn't. Yes, he has seen. The correct answer is no, he hasn't. 7. He is not feeling well. He, blank. Today. He is staying at home today. 8. Hurry up. We, blank. To catch the last train. Should. Must. Or need. The correct answer, we need to catch the last train. 9. She's a talented musician, blank. Isn't she? Is she? She isn't? The correct answer, she is a talented musician, isn't she? 10. Which sentence is correct? Do you have any cat? Do you have any cats? Do you have some cats? The correct sentence is, do you have any cats?